Hey, Sean here in this video. I'll show you how to use your dashboard. So your dashboard, you can customize a lot. And I'll show you a few examples. So we have these little widgets here. And what you can do is you can actually add new widgets and you can rearrange widgets in whatever order you like. So let's go ahead and add a new one. You can see it'll bring you down to where your starting point is. I've got a lot of widgets on my dashboard, but you can personalize it. So click that button and you can see the options here. So you can see top gainers, top losers, top search stocks, top earnings. You can add a chart for any stock you'd like. We'll do that in a second. Top score changes, top summary changes, and a watch list to any of your specific watch lists. So let's go ahead to chart. And you can see the options here. You can add the S&P 500 index. You can add a stock, an ETF, or crypto coin. I'll add a stock here. Let's go. I don't think I have Netflix here yet. Let's go ahead and add that. Click save. There you go. Netflix shows right away. And then let's say I want to rearrange these. Click that rearrange button. Kind of drag these around in whatever order you like. Got some of my favorites right up top. Let's say I want my watch list over here. And there you go. Click apply, and your dashboard will update accordingly. There you go. That's how you customize your dashboard.